Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Fine or good?
Fine.
Good or very good?
Good.
Only good, not very good. Okay, I know. Because we are living on in this earth, and we know we will have to face every type of problem in our day-to-day life. We have to deal with so many situations, and we can't imagine what kind of situation arise. So we have to be mentally prepared for all type of situations. But how to deal with all type of situation, that is the art of life. Because situations are similar for all of us. But the art of living is how to deal. Because maybe you can tackle the same problem in an easy way, but that will be difficult for this brother. Maybe. But we are here as a family. You don't think that we are from an institution, we will talk some lectures and all. No. We are your brothers, your friends. Okay? First, be mentally prepared. Here is not a senior person and all that from an institution. No. One God, one world family. So as being family, we are here with you. Okay? So today's topic is stress management. I know that. But before we start our topic, we will do a creative activity. Okay? So stress. First thing we have to learn that what is known as stress. आपको क्या लगता है what is stress? आपके हिसाब से स्ट्रेस क्या होता है?
ज़्यादा सोच।
ज़्यादा सोच। ओके, और कुछ? प्रेशर। हाँ, प्रेशर आ जाता है तो उसको स्ट्रेस कहते हैं। और एनीथिंग आपके हिसाब से व्हाट इज स्ट्रेस? जब तक प्रॉब्लम के बारे में जानेंगे नहीं, उसको ओवरकम कैसे करेंगे? फर्स्ट वी must know what is the root cause of the problem and what is problem. After that, we can learn the technique how to overcome this. This is very simple. So stress is, we can call it, take an example. In your profession, most of the patients come along with their families, friend circle, and one by one so many cases are coming to us, and we got mentally overpressured at what to do now, because they are panicked, they are frustrated, है ना, उनको समझ नहीं है, hopeless. पर लेकिन we have two choices, either to react as they are, either to react as we are. दो चॉइस हैं. वैसे रिएक्ट करें जैसा वो कर रही है, वो मिसबिहेव भी करेंगे, दे विल मिसबिहेव आल्सो बिकॉज दे आर एट द सेम टाइम दे आर मेंटली डिस्टर्ब. बट वी हैव टू मेंटेन आवर इंटरनल पोजीशन स्टेबिलिटी, इंटरनल स्टेबिलिटी. आई नो you all know the same thing, but how to maintain our internal stability, that's we will have talk later on. So situation ये है कि वो आए और वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ रही हैं और हमारे पास दो चॉइस हैं, हम कैसे रिएक्ट करें उनके हिसाब से. हमारे जनरली क्या होता है हमारे साथ? इन जनरल व्हाट वी डू, समटाइम वी रिएक्ट एज वी आर, समटाइम वी रिएक्ट एज दे आर, एंड देयर इज द गैप. ओके, द first thing, when you enter to this hospital, what do you think? I am here for my duty, making money, or anything else? Because all depends upon our thoughts. हमारे विचार जो हैं उसके हिसाब से हमारे जीवन का निर्माण होता है. जब हम एंटर करते हैं सवेरे सवेरे अपनी शिफ्ट के लिए एंटर किया, अरे यार वही काम है, सेम थिंग. we have to deal with lots of patient and all that, and जैसे जैसे करके छुट्टी हो और मैं भागूंगा, पूरे दिन में यही रहता है, ये ऐसा आ गया. We are overthinking about the other people's. The whole day we are overthinking about the other people's. But in the whole day, in 24 hours, we are not thinking about ourselves. What I am doing, what I have to do, not a single minute we are giving to ourselves. If a big celebrity came to your hospital, you all will love to meet him. Yes, I should also meet him because he is very big celebrity. But you are missing the world's most good, powerful celebrity to meet. Your whole life you are missing that chance daily. That is me. If you stand in front of mirror, you are the best actor of your life. You are the best actor of your life. Give a big hand for yourself. Yes, I am the best actor. मेरे से ज्यादा अच्छा रोल पूरी दुनिया में कोई नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि मेरी अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ है. बट ये हम भूल जाते हैं. मूवी देखते हैं, यू सी द मूवी. इन द मूवी वन थिंग is common, that actor hero is focusing on his own role. My makeup, my dialogues, my actions, everything. Either hero becomes a peon, either hero becomes a doctor, either hero becomes a celebrity, नेता, कुछ भी, उसका सारा ध्यान अपने ऊपर होता है. मेरा action, he doesn't care about the other heroes. Whatever the role he is playing, his role is getting bored, yeah, getting wrong. He doesn't care about that. Why? Because he knows this is a film, I will get some money and the whole world will watch me, is watching me, what I am doing. उसका ध्यान नहीं है दूसरे की तरफ, भाड़ में जाए, मेरा क्या मतलब है. Whatever happening over with him or her, I don't care. But in our practical life, what we are doing, we are not focusing on ourselves. We are continuously focusing on others' role the whole life. My sister is this, my wife is this, my brother, my friend, the celebrity is this, and the politics are just as that. I am not talking about all other topics, but पूरे दिन में if you see your whole day picture, you will not love your picture. आप एक दिन अपनी खुद की मूवी देखो, आज मैं पूरे दिन में क्या किया, कैसे कैसे बिहेव किया, आपको खुद को अपनी मूवी अच्छी नहीं लगेगी. You will not love your movie because you are not acting as you can act. You are not acting. There is something missing, and if we know what is missing, then you will enjoy your life. Because you know we have a badge, and what is written on this? Raj Yogi Kumar, me, enjoy every moment of life. Whatever the situation, whatever the problem, I don't care about this. I have to care of me because I have my valuable time on this earth and I have to use it in a peaceful manner, in a blissful manner, joyful manner. So ये अपनी सोच के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. स्ट्रेस को ओवरकम करने के लिए हमें अपने ऊपर काम करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी ने आया, चार बातें बता दी, ये चीज रट लो और आपका स्ट्रेस दूर हो गया. हो ही नहीं सकता. चाहे आप बड़े से बड़े, इफ यू अटेंड बिग लेक्चर, बिग सेमिनार्स, you can't overcome your stress. No, there is no tool. You have to focus on yourself. कि who we actually are. The big mistake we all are doing that we forget about ourselves, who we actually are. Who we actually are. We don't know. If I ask you, who are you? Who are you? Please. Okay. Please have my. अपने बारे में बताइए, आप कौन हैं, क्या हैं?
I am a human being. First, or but so secondly, right now I am working here as a manager. Okay. Or
जिस दिन आपका पहला दिन था इस धरती पर, उस दिन आप क्या थे? उस दिन भी आप मैनेजर थे, जो आपके नाम की पहचान आपने बताई। व्हाट्स योर नेम? तो क्या वो नाम पहले दिन भी था आपका? नहीं। ओके, पर लेकिन कुछ तो थे पहले दिन भी आप। तो एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं हम। टेक एन एग्जांपल। अ पेशेंट केम विद देयर फैमिली मेंबर्स, ओके, and he got serious injury and doctor have to do the operation. Okay, doctor have to do the operation. This is, let's suppose, operation theater. Doctor is calling, okay, bring Rahul patient inside. What doctor said? Bring Rahul patient inside. Okay, unfortunately operation get unsuccessful. The body is lying here on this table. Now what doctor will say? Take out this body out or take out Rahul out? Body out. Why? And Rahul has gone. Where? Who was the Rahul? जिसको आज तक हम राहुल समझते आए, वो तो यही है. The person we are thinking that he is Rahul. Rahul is lying here. You give him a slap or cut, he will not feel anything. But who has gone? Who was feeling all the good feelings, bad feelings, sukh, dukh, dard? कौन महसूस कर रहा था? Who was feeling? We don't know. That is what we actually are. Human being. Human is the body and being is the controller of this body. जिस दिन वो कंट्रोलर चला गया, उस दिन बॉडी का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. हम बॉडी की बात नहीं करेंगे, बॉडी की बात आप सब जानते हैं, बट द बीइंग, उसके ऊपर फोकस करने की आज जरूरत है, क्योंकि हर चीज जुड़ी हुई है हमारे उससे. एंड व्हाट इज दैट बीइंग? इन साइंस, at the intersection point of hypothalamus and pituitary glands, 2.5 inch inside, 1.5 inch below, there is an intersection point where the energy lives, that we actually are. In spirituality, that is known as soul. What is soul? A star, an energy that we are. Okay, let's take a simple example. This is mic, and I say this is my mic. My mic means I am a different identity and mic is a separate thing. Okay? Can I say I am mic? No? Okay. When I say my mic, myself, from childhood to the same age which you are having right now. Someone is 40, someone is 25, someone is 50 across. What we say? This is my hand, my ears, my eyes, my body. Then who we are? My means different. Who am I? I am that soul, the manager of this body. That you are the manager of this campus. I am the manager of this body, and this is my body. Okay? उसकी तरफ हमने कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया. We have never think about ourselves. That's why we are getting depressed, we are getting stressed because हम खुद को ही नहीं जानते. We forget about ourselves, who we actually are. So I am a peaceful soul. I am a pure soul. I am a lovely soul. I am energetic soul, powerful soul. These are the thoughts which we can create. Then we will get recharged. Let's suppose this is mobile, fully charged, and we have used the whole day. We can talk, we can see the YouTube movies, we can WhatsApp, we can use Twitter, game, anything. But when this mobile get discharged, किसी काम का है? डिस्चार्ज हो गया, ना मेरे काम का है ना आपके काम का है. What we have to do right now? We have to charge it. If we charge it, then we can again use as it is. The same problem is with us. By taking so many births on this earth, taking one birth, second birth, third birth, we are getting our energy down, down and down. And now we are so down that small things, small problems are irritating us. In a small situation, we get angry and we get upset. Small situation. But there was a time when we were very powerful, very energetic. Am I right? So we have to charge ourselves. And that technique is known as Raj Yoga meditation. Raj Yoga meditation. When we charge ourselves, everything gets sorted out. Because situation will be the same. But we learn how to deal with this situation. Okay, it's our choice. If I am internally strong, internally peaceful, internally powerful, then I will not fight with him. कभी एक हाथ से ताली बजती है, दोनों हाथ से ताली बजती है. हमारी सिचुएशन है, मेरे पड़ोसी ने गाड़ी खड़ी कर दी, अब लड़ लो उससे. मेरे घर के आगे क्यों खड़ी करी? ये हमारी सिचुएशन है. या तो हम प्यार से कह सकते हैं, प्लीज गेट योर कार अवे फ्रॉम माई प्लेस. प्यार से भी कह सकते हैं, बट नहीं, वी गॉट एंग्री. द एटीट्यूड, what attitude we present in front of anyone, it depends upon us. What kind of attitude is mine. And you all know, if we get angry for first time, I think, take an example, if I get angry with him, you know what kind of loss I will incur to myself. I will incur physical and mental loss to myself, which will recover in 3 months. Millions of cells will destroy if I get angry. And it will take 3 months to recover. And in 3 months, so many times I get angry. So my energy will not increase. My energy is continuously decreasing. We were happy in our childhood. A child smiles 300 times in a single day. And you? How many times? A child smiles 300 times in a single day. And you? 30 times? No. I know. So, okay, who is intelligent? A child is intelligent or you are intelligent? The moment we are increasing, मतलब हमारी उम्र बढ़ती जाती है, our age get increasing, our graph of happiness is not increasing, down. We are becoming intelligent because we are getting our studies and all that. We are getting our responsibilities. Very intelligent. But our graph of happiness is decreasing. because main problem is we are forgetting what we are. हम अपने आप को नहीं जानते. सेम चीज है. जिस दिन आप अपने आप को जान जाएंगे, आप अपनी पावर्स को जान जाएंगे, आप अपनी शक्तियों को जान जाएंगे, उस दिन से आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. When you know yourself, you will rule the world. कहते हैं मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत. आपने सुना होगा आइंस्टाइन का नाम. You have heard about Einstein? He has used his 10% brain energy. 10%. Through Rajयोग meditation, you can use your 100% energy, brain energy. This is the most powerful technique. In 140 countries, millions of people are practicing Rajyoga meditation and getting their life peaceful, blissful, joyful. Millions of people through Rajyoga meditation, whether doctor, engineer, scientist, philosophers, army officers, farmers, every category of people are practicing Rajyoga meditation. And a big example is here in front of you, our president. Who is our president? President. Sir, president, not the prime minister. Draupadi Murmu. So she is also practicing the Rajyoga meditation from last 15 years. Before that, she was having so many problems. His husband gone, child gone, and you have heard about that. But when she joined Brahma Kumari tuition and she learned meditation, and now she has challenges all the situation over the world, and she is ruling the India. Okay, so we will also rule this world. वर्ल्ड को छोड़ो, अपनी जिंदगी को तो रूल करो. We can rule our life. We are not ruling our life. We are trying to rule others' life. This he should be acting like me. He should be like me. She has to obey all my orders. We are ordering our relatives, my wife, my mother, my father, my son. We are trying to rule others' life. We are not ruling our life. That's the main problem. We have to rule us, our mind. कहते हैं मन बेलगाम घोड़ा है, वो इधर उधर भागता रहता है. No one in this world is controlling their mind. We had our Dadi Janki. She was so peaceful. She get awarded for the most stable mind in this world. The most stable mind in this world. Guinness Book of World में भी इनका नाम था. अभी she had left his body last 2 years ago. So in Brahma Kumaris, if you learn Rajyoga meditation, you will rule yourself. Do you know one thing? In a single day, how many thoughts we create? Around 60,000 thoughts in a single day. And if we practice Rajyoga meditation, this will slowly decrease. You can decrease up to 20,000, 10,000. The more thoughts we create will be good, or the less thoughts we will create, that will good. Your choice, less thoughts. And if anyone gets thoughts around 80,000, that will lead to depression. And if anyone leads to 1 lakh thoughts in a single day, he get anxiety disorders, mental disorders. We are watching the cases in our society. So अपने थॉट्स को कंट्रोल कर पाना बहुत जरूरी है. For this you must practice meditation. उसी से आपके माइंड के थॉट्स कंट्रोल होंगे. There is no other techniques. और जैसे कि डॉक्टर साहब ने बताया भी कि अपने आप को पॉजिटिव थॉट देना, वो भी एक आर्ट है. क्योंकि हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ के अंदर हम लोग नहीं करते, भूल जाते हैं. वही जिंदगी है। अभी हम चले जाएंगे ना, आपको 1-2 घंटा बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, पर कल फिर जब आप आएंगे ना हॉस्पिटल, सेम सिचुएशन, अरे यार कल तो बताया था, मुझसे तो हो नहीं रहा, ऐसे होता है। परंतु वी हैव टू डू द होमवर्क, हमें खुद के साथ मेहनत करनी है, आईने में अपने आप को देखना है, आई एम द बेस्ट हीरो, ये कुछ पॉइंट आप याद करेंगे। और आई एम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट एंड आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग राजयोगा मेडिटेशन फ्रॉम लास्ट 14 years when I was 20 years old child, and I was addicted to drinking and all that. But when I joined Brahma Kumari, every bad habit I lose it. I left over all the bad habits, because we should have a disciplined life if we want to live our life as we want. So a disciplined life. I wake around 3:30 to 4 a.m. It's my personal life, and all my family members, बहुत लंबी चौड़ी रिश्तेदारी है, मेरे पिताजी के 7 भाई हैं, मम्मी के भी 8 बहन हैं, तो लंबे चौड़ी रिश्तेदारी है। Not a single person is disagree with me or dissatisfied with me. All the persons are very well satisfied with me. And in our profession, so many cases are there. सबके अपने अपने प्रोफेशन में so many problems हैं। कभी ये हो गया, कभी रिटर्न लेट फाइल हो गई, कभी TDS नहीं भरा, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। क्लाइंट्स का प्रेशर आता है, so what you have done, I don't get panic. I really enjoy every moment of the life. Simple. The problem is with him. मेरी प्रॉब्लम नहीं। I am acting the way I can do the best. मैंने ट्राई किया, लेट हो गया, मेरे स्टाफ से गलती हो गई, कोई बात नहीं, तो उसको हम ओवरकम ठीक कर सकते हैं, पर लेकिन मुझे रिएक्ट नहीं करना। एकदम से रिएक्ट जो करता है ना, वो हमेशा पछताता है। एकदम से रिएक्ट नहीं करना। टेक टाइम for 1 or 2 seconds and practice meditation that I am a peaceful soul. बस 1 सेकंड लगता है अपने आप को स्टेबल करने के लिए। एक तो I am a peaceful soul, that's it. Everything will get okay. All is well. You have watched the movie All is well. Simple. All will be well. पर लेकिन ये हमारी चॉइस है, क्योंकि वो एक ही था। कहते ना कि वो अलग सोचता था हमेशा, हर पल नया। क्या आपकी लाइफ में आप हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि आज क्या नया होने वाला है मेरे साथ? What will new thing will happen to my life? No, we are not thinking about that. A simple thing. Take an example. You bought a new LED screen in your home. 56-inch LED screen in your home, new screen, okay? But remote is with your पड़ोसी को क्या कहते हैं? Neighbor, ठीक है? Remote is with neighbor, and you have bought the LED screen. You have spent 50,000 rupees, and he has spent only 500 rupees. Now what will happen? You want to watch movie, but he has pressed the button cartoon. You want to see the India-Pakistan match, but he has pressed the button news. You will love? No. आपका सारा पैसा वेस्ट, क्योंकि मजे तो वो ले रहा है। Who is feeling enjoy? Your neighbor. That same situation we have created in our life. We have given our happiness remote to others. Anyone came, press the button, we get angry, we get upset. वो चला गया, पर लेकिन हम मन में सोचते रहते पूरे दिन 1 महीना सोचते रहते हैं। वो तो चला गया मजे लेके। We are thinking about it. Next time I will teach him a lesson. किसका नुकसान है? अपना। We are making loss to ourselves. Take an example. This is what a peacock feather. If I to, if I say, please hold it like this for 1 minute, it will be easy. If I say, please hold it for 1 hour, some difficult. If I say, please hold this in the same position 10 hours, very difficult. But दुनिया की बातें जो हमारे फ्रेंड सर्कल में या अपने प्रोफेशंस में so many situations arises and we kept that situation in our mind for so many time, so many years. 10 साल पुरानी बात भी याद रहेगी, उसने मेरे साथ ये किया था, आज छोड़ूंगा, उसका तो कुछ नहीं हुआ पर अपना नुकसान होता रहता है. सो ये इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस को डील करने के लिए राजयोग मेडिटेशन बहुत जरूरी है दोस्तों. मैं कोई अपने मतलब ब्रह्म कुमारी संस्था का प्रचार करने नहीं आया. आई एम शेयरिंग माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस दैट what I get from this institution. I must express our feelings to others also, because you all are my family. One God, one world family. So, who we are? Soul, star. Let's back to our main topic, Raj Yoga meditation. We are star and energy. Okay, and we have to charge ourselves. So, technique name is Raj Yoga meditation. So, हम charge कैसे करेंगे? You have seen elephant. Elephant's fathers will be look like elephant only. You have seen horse. Horse father will look like an horse. A human body. Human body's father will look like a human body. And now we know I am a star. So father of star will look like star. Simple. Very logical. इस ज्ञान को बड़े बड़े ऋषि मुनि योगी तपस्वी आचार्य विद्वान फिलोसफर साइंटिस्ट डॉक्टर इंजीनियर नहीं जान पाए. वो सत्य ज्ञान बहुत सरल शब्दों में आपको बताने आए हैं. वी आर द एनर्जी स्टार एंड दैट इज नोन एज गॉड. जो पिता है परमात्मा परम पिता किसको कहते हैं? गॉड. दैट इज ऑल्सो स्टार. एंड इन ऑल रिलीजन he has the same definition, same identity. I will prove it. In Western countries, you will see the Christian religion. In that religion, what Jesus Christ said, I am the messenger of God. I am not the God. Jesus Christ said, I am the messenger of God. And God is light. God is light. And when they do prayer, a big candle is there in the front, and all of us take a small candle. Small candles denotes that we are stars, and the big candle, the father of all stars. There is a simple logic, but we don't know. In Muslim religion also, in Quran, the definition of God is Noor-e-Ilahi. Noor means the light. In Sikh religion, Guru Gobind Singh, Guru Nanak Ji said that God is Ik Omkar Nirakar Satnam Vaheguru. Nirakar means he has no body. He is bodiless. उनका भी इशारा ज्योति की तरफ. And महात्मा बुद्ध विजुअलाइजेस अ स्टार. महात्मा बुद्ध को भी ज्योति का साक्षात्कार हुआ था. और जो सभी धर्म शास्त्रों में सबसे बड़ा धर्म शास्त्र है उसको क्या कहते हैं? गीता. यू ऑल हैव हर्ड गीता. इन गीता ऑल्सो गॉड हैज प्रूव, गॉड हैज गिवन हिज ओन ट्रू आइडेंटिटी. हे अर्जुन, ये मैं नहीं हूं जो तू मुझे देख रहा है, मैं कुछ और हूं. मुझे देखने के लिए तुझे दिव्य नेत्र चाहिए. When God has given the third eye to Arjun, what he saw? Akhand Mahajyoti Sarup, the big energy, a big light. That the actual identity of God according to all religion. That's God and we are His child stars. Simple. And कैसे हम उसको कनेक्ट करके याद कर सकते हैं, मेडिटेशन कर सकते हैं, वो हमारे दीदी आपको बता देंगे. ठीक है? ओके. उससे पहले एक छोटा सा स्किट. आपके पास टाइम है 5 मिनट का? एक छोटा सा ड्रामा वो हम देखेंगे. ऑल आवर कैरेक्टर्स आर रेडी, आई थिंक सो. रेडी? Come first. So you will enjoy also. Because in our team, no. हाँ, थोड़ा सा इसको हटा दें. इसको हटा दीजिए. इसको साइड में रख दीजिए. Please take this to. In that drama, they will play the drama in Hindi language. Okay. So जो 3-4 people हैं उनको आप बाद में समझाना, but you will understand by their acting because the situations are, we are very familiar with all the situation we will see here. Time लगेगा, okay. 3-4 minutes they will take, okay. In the meanwhile, I request our respected sister to come and teach you the Raj Yoga meditation technique. So please give her a big hand because she